Hello, very good morning to all. I'm Lopa Jena from MBA Business Analytics student from JL University, Mathura. So, welcome to this video. In this video, we cover how Excel handles different type of data text, number, and special value. Let's see how to enter these data and how Excel recognize them. So, you can see here there is one table which have some data is there. In this data, first we know what we say in this table. This we can see this thing we can call as row and this one is as called as column. Okay. In the small box you can see this small box called as cell. Okay. So first we think we just today we discuss about text, number, data, dates, and special character. So first we just know why these date are aligned in right side and why this text are aligned in left side, and this number are aligned in left side, right side. Okay. So first we just know uh, this number if we write any number like 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so when we just put enter, so it's automatically go in right side. But we if we write any text like any name Deepa, so it goes automatically left side because of already there is programming is held. That's why this any text number it goes in right side or any text it goes in left side. If we write any date like 25 2025, so what you can say, it goes left or right, it goes right side because it is having number. Okay, so it goes right. But if I don't give any special character, then it's considered as a text. I can show you like 20. I can write same thing 25 2025 and just click enter. It goes right side because it considered as a text. Okay. So today we just main thing we can do it how we identify in the whole data, how can we identify what are the things is text, number, date, and numerical using some formula. So first we just select one column and we just give a name like we just doing for identify, so we just write identify. Okay. So there is some formula is given when we just like equal to is, you can see so many options are there. We just select for uh, verifying number is number. Okay, and select cell which we want to identify. Okay, then close the bracket. Then press the enter. It's false. It means that in this cell, there is no any numerical value or number is present. It means it's false. If in same case, if cell having number, then it shows true. I will show you is equal to is and select one cell, then close the bracket. Okay. It's shows true because this cell having number. Okay. In the same case, if you have a large number of data and you can not identify that they have mixing of number or text. So because of this small task, you can just identify where is the text and where is the number. Or we just identify how many numbers are there in that cell or that particular data. So we just use this formula is equal to sum product and select the cell. How many special character is there or not. So we just select a cell. Special character, you mean like that the A to Z or 0 to 9. These are comes under special character, and there is we just write something na, something wrong like a DAB or some symbols we use. These all come under in a special character. So if we in our data is any special character is there, then it identify easily to use this formula. I can show you. Like I just select this cell and close the bracket. And okay, it means one. There is one special character is there. It shows like this. Okay, if there is no any special character in the cell, it shows what it shows. I will show you. Is equal to sum and select this cell. Okay, and we can select more than one cell. Close the bracket. Put enter. It means zero value. I just show you another thing. Like we just use also in it is equal to is number. Is number is also used in text. We already show you. And there is one more option, search. Okay. Use of search, we also can identify the text within text or any number. And some product I already told you. And we can try like this, some product and select cell. Okay. See what happens. This percentage. Okay. It means they are having only number, domestic number. Domestic cell is not considered, only the number is choice. Okay, fine. Because using of all this formula, we just identify how in whole data, how many numbers, text, and special character are there because of some using short technique. Okay, we cannot go through whole data. There is so much large or big data is there, no? So we can easily identify this. Okay, thank you for watching. This all about my side. Thanks for watching.